You have medicine interviews coming up and loads of NHS hot topics to learn. So in this video, we're going to be covering COVID-19. Now, to actually learn this hot topic in more detail, make sure to check out my YouTube where you can get all the information on this. As in this video, we're just going over the key points. And also don't forget to check out my interview document using the link in the comments so you can learn all of the interview content that you need to know. So the key points that you need to know about COVID-19 was that the first case was detected in January 2020 in the UK, and by March 2020, it was declared as a pandemic by the World Health Organization. Following on from this, there were loads of public health measures taken to try to reduce the spread of it. This includes lockdown, social distancing, and also furlough schemes to actually financially help people who had lost their jobs during this time. Additionally, hospitals faced a lot of pressure in terms of the number of patients that they were having to see, and also there was a lack of personal protective equipment at points as well, and hospitals struggled in order to keep healthcare staff safe. During this time as well, there was a lot of mental health difficulties for both healthcare staff and for the general population who couldn't see their family or who were going through the condition at the time. Disruption had occurred in loads of different parts of life, including education, economics, and also within the healthcare system. As the NHS now, one of the impacts from this was that the backlog that has been created and loads of non-urgent appointments were pushed back, and now this has resulted in a lot more longer waiting lists. However, it's also important to highlight, whilst there were a lot of negative impacts of COVID, there were some lessons learned, including the acceleration of telemedicine and also improvements in essentially incorporating technology into medicine. So bear this in mind when you talk about it in your interviews. It's also important to mention that there was a rapid development in the vaccines too, and this definitely helped in creating that herd immunity and reducing the spread of the virus. All of these are key points that you need to know about COVID, but of course, don't forget to check out my video on YouTube so you can actually understand this in a lot more detail so you can talk about it in your medical school interviews.